Hello, my name is Dr. Thomas Berger. I'm senior faculty of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. We do training workshops on aesthetic procedures all over the world. The training concept is to give beginners and people with a bit of advanced knowledge the chance to use aesthetic procedures to do them safe on their own. And the training course is divided into two parts. We have a level 1 that is basically meant for beginners, consists of training on chemical peels, on Botox fillers and lasers. And then we have a level 2 course which is more intense. It's focused mostly on safe injection techniques of Botox and fillers, but also on PRP, mesotherapy, sclerotherapy, aesthetic dermatology and so on. So that's a very concise, variable course program. Very interesting. People come from all over the world, both the faculty and the delegates. It's normally in nice places, so it's mostly very enjoyable for everyone and it's highly recommended.